Hello everyone, welcome to Hands-on ICD-10 Coding Tutorial, Session 31, ICD-10 CM 2023 Update. First, an overview of Session 31. In this session, I will give you a summary of the total number of code changes for 2023 edition. Also, I will give you quite a few coding update examples for the ICD-10 CM 2023 edition. First, the summary of the total number of code changes. On the left table, this is the update from 2022 to 2023, and then on the right table, this is the update from 2021 to 2022. That's the last year's update. So in last year, we only have 132 more ICD-10 CM codes. But for this year's update, we have total of 895 more ICD-10 CM codes. So this year, the update is much more significant than the last year. So among this around 900 codes, 386 of them are ICD-10 CM codes without character 7, and then the rest 519 of them has the character 7 character 7. So next I will summarize the type of update. So the first most common update is the code split. In the case of code split, one ICD-10 code is split into several codes. For example, I47.2 in 2022 version, it's only one code here. That's a billable code. And then in the 2023 edition, it has split into 3 codes. Let's go to the coding book here. So in this browser here, the first tab, that's the 2022 edition of ICD-10 CM. And then the second tab, that's the 2023 edition of ICD-10 CM book. So let's go to the older version here, search for this code here, I47.2. So in the 2022 edition, this is a code can be used for billing. As you can see, the $ here, that's the most specific code. So if you go to the new edition here, searching for the same code, I47.2 here. So this code doesn't have a $ here, it means it's not billable. If you go to the book, so this code here is split into 3 codes, I47.20 and I47.21 and I47.29. So in the new edition, 2023 edition, I47.2 is not a billable code. So if you use this code here in the new year, 2023, starting from October 1st, 2022. So this code, if you use this code for billing, the bill will be denied. You have to use one of the 3 more specific code here, the new codes. So the code split is the most common update. So another type of update is simply just adding a completely new code in the 2023 edition. For example, the S06.8A. Let's go back to the coding book here. So if you search for the this code here, I06.8A in the old edition. No, sorry, it's the S. So this code is not there anymore. It's not there. So in the new edition, if you search this code here, S06.8A, So this code is there. This is complete new code here. If you see here, this is a new code added under S06.8 in the older edition, 2022 edition. If you search for the parent code here, go to the coding book here. So under S06.A, there's a 3 code here. There's no S06.8A, but in the 2023 edition, this new code is added here. And also this code is not a billable code. You have to use the 7th character for this code. Again, the final type of update is just update the coding notes or the coding details. So we have 4 examples here. We will go through them one by one. First, I34.0. For this code, I think the code also is added. Let's go to the coding book here. Search. In the 2022 edition, I34.0. So if you see the details here, there's some alternative terms, but there's no code also. But in the new edition here, if you search for the same code, 34.0, here again you see this is added for the new edition. So in 2023, we code this code I34.0. You also code one of I34.81. So the second one for this update is J96.12. So in the old edition here, let's search for the code J96.12. Here there's no alternative terms. This is just the one only description for this code. For the new edition, 2023 edition, search for the same code J96.12. If you click on the details here, there's an alternative way for this to describe this code. In the old edition, there's no alternative term. Here, this is the update, one type of update. Again, the third example, G47.33. Let's search for this code in both the older version. Set G47.33. Look for the details here. So you can see the exclusive one, and then this P28.3. This is code in the exclusive one nodes. In the newer version, search for the same code G47.33. Here, you see the details here. You see this reference code is updated with a dash. So in the older version, there's no dash. In the new version, there's a dash. That means the exclusive one code now has to specify another digit here. So it's P28.3 and plus 1 another digit. So this is because the 2023 update for this code itself, it needs another digit. Let's look for this code. That's the last example. Let's see that why we have a dash there. P28.3. So this is one of the update for this code. So let's search for this code. P28.3. Here, as you can see, in the 2022 edition, this is a billable code, P28.3. can be used for billing. But in the new edition, let's search for the same code, P28.3 here. So in this code, it doesn't have a $sign, so it means it cannot be used for billing. That's because in the 2023 edition, this code is split into 5 different codes. So you have to add the another digit at the last at the end. So you add either 0, 1, 2, 3, or 9. So this is the update for P28.3. So again, we forget to mention that for this code update for P23.3, so we have in the newer edition we have a excludes 2 note. So in the old edition, so simply there's no excludes 2 notes. So this is the update here, P28.3. They added here this thing, the excludes 2 nodes in the 2023 edition. In the old one, it doesn't have it. So that's another type of update. Okay, finally, I just let you guys know that the code set for 2023 for both ICD-10 CM, ICD-10 PCS, they are all available since yesterday, September 26, 2022 in medicalcodecenter.com. So if you are careful enough here, as I give you the example, this is the older version, is in my local server, and then the newer version for 2023 is already deployed in the production. So if you want to take a sneak peek of the 2023 edition, just go to this website. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.